How to find Bitcoin address in blockchain.com. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Bitcoin address on blockchain.com. For that, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type blockchain.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of blockchain. Here, make sure you are logged in to your account. If not, click on this login button at the top right, and in this interface, enter your email address or wallet ID. After you have entered your wallet ID, click on this continue button right here and enter your password now. Recheck your password by clicking on this I button at the right side, and if it is entered correctly, click on this login button. Now you will need to authorize it. For that, check your mailbox and there open the email from blockchain. There you will find authorized login. Click on that authorized login and then you will be able to access your wallet now. After successful verification, you will be able to log in to your blockchain.com account now. You may also scan the QR code presented at the bottom in order to log in to your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here you will land on this page. In this page, at the top right next to send button, you will find receive button. Click on this receive and at the right side you will be able to see this panel. Here you will need to find Bitcoin. You may also click on the search bar and there type in Bitcoin or BTC. Once you find the Bitcoin in the search results below, you will need to click on it to open it. And once you click on it, you will be presented with a QR code along with a string of letters and numbers. This is your Bitcoin address. Now you can copy this Bitcoin address by clicking on this copy icon at the right side, or you can directly scan this QR code in order to receive the Bitcoin in your wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to find Bitcoin address on blockchain.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.